Welcome to English Lessons with Teacher Lemus, and we're going to see today nouns and subject pronouns. In today's lesson, we're going to identify nouns and subject pronouns and pronounce subject pronouns correctly. Now, what are nouns? Nouns are one of the parts of speech and they are used to describe a person, animal, object, place, or concept. This is a very important thing and you're going to use nouns all the time when you speak in English. Here we have some examples. Mom, here, mom, cat, pencil, school, and information. Notice we have different types of nouns. Yeah, it can be, like I said, a person, an animal, an object, a place, or a concept. Continuing, some examples. Mom makes delicious hotcakes, yummy. Or my cat is lazy. The pencil is yellow. The school opens at 7 o'clock. I have a lot of information. As you can see, the nouns have different positions in a sentence and we use them to represent one of the elements I mentioned. Now we're going to see what subject pronouns are, and they are used to say who does something in a sentence. Usually you already know who they refer to. Looking at some examples, here we have the subject pronouns. First we have I. Yes, I. Very important. Yes, the most important person, I. Yes, that's a subject pronoun. Another one is you. You, and you can be used for singular or plural. Yes, so you can be you one person or you more than one person. Okay? Then we have he for a man. He. Or then we have she for a woman. Okay? She. It for an object or a thing. Sometimes animals also, it. So it. We, when you refer to plural people including I. It's like you and me. We. Yes, it can be two people, can be three people or more, but it's including me. And finally, they. They is for a group of people that does not include me. Okay? So, we have some examples. I want to learn English. You are my best friend. Tom works every day. He is responsible. Yeah. Mary is an excellent cook. She makes delicious food. My school is big. It opens at 7 o'clock. We like pizza. You are my best friends. John and Andrea like to read. They like the Harry Potter books. Okay? Now, let's take a look at the pronunciation. This one is I. Repeat after me. I. And then we have you. One more time. You. Then we have he. Repeat again. He. And then we have she. One more time. She. Next we have it. Repeat again. It. Then we. One more time. We. Finally, they. Repeat again. They. Okay? Excellent. Well, thank you for joining today's class. Please like and subscribe and follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram at Teacher Lemus. I also have private classes, more information on my social pages. Thank you and I'll see you next time.